Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to get data in Power BI Desktop. So let's get started. So first, let's take a tour of Power BI Desktop. So on the top we have the ribbons. So these are just the ribbons. They display common tags that are associated with reports and visualization. So there is the report view. The report view is like a canvas where your visualizations are created and arranged. Then we have the data view. It allows you to view all your data available in the report. And then the model view stores the relationship where you have a set of relationship between tables and elements, and common things relate to those tables. So now let's go to before we go to the visualization pane, and then we have the page where you can add as many pages of visuals as you like. So here I'm just adding pages so you can see. Then that's the visualization pane. So you can choose any visual you want, and then you can choose as many visuals as you want depending on what you're trying to communicate. And then you can select data from the field in order to form your visual. That's the field where you can select a column to visualize, and that's the format where you can actually format the table or chart or visual. So this is the field. You can pick up any column and just decide to visualize that and relate that, maybe number of products sold. So you have to choose products and then total or quantity, for instance. So in this case, I'm just showing you the fields that are available. Yeah, and then we have the filter. You can actually put filter on the page to say, make sure that everything that is on this page is from the northwest, for instance, or everything on this page is from the northeast. So you can put a filter on the page, or you can this particular page, or you can put a filter on the whole page. So that's entirely up to you, depending on what you're trying to communicate. So this is a slicer visual I picked. I can actually put something in there to say you should be able to filter the whole report based on a specific field or column. We're not going to go really deep into the visualization itself. It's just to play around with it, to just show you what we have in there. Power BI can handle the variety of data types. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you all the different data types. Like the visual shows, it can handle Excel, it can handle ASX, SQL, and all that. So like you can see here, we're just going to go to more so we can see more clearly, and you can see different data sources, data types you can pick from depending on your data source. So you can either choose from the all, just scroll down and see what you want, or you can actually go down to, if you know it's already a file, you can pick a file, or you can go to database or go to Power Platform or Azure. So for example, for this file you have Excel, PDF, and then for the database you have different databases in there that you can pick from depending on what your data source is. Or Power Platform, you can pick any of the Power Platform data sources. Maybe Power BI data sets you already have that is existing on your Power BI service. Azure or online services. Online services can include Google Analytics or GitHub and others as well. So basically this is how you actually choose your data source or get your data into Power BI. So depending on what your data is, you have to first of all know what data type you have and where it's coming from, the data source, before you can know what to connect to. So once you have that sorted, you select it and then click connect, and that's it. In the next video, we're going to go more deep into bringing actual data in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Feel free to tell me what you want to see next. And thank you for watching. Bye.